Hey guys, so how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So it is time for our DMT and Dominator update. So here we are, the 15 minute Bitcoin chart for the, as you can see, DMT byline. Sorry, not a byline. I always get it mixed up because it's green. I call it a byline, but this is the line that you sell at. So the DMT sell line is currently around 8,600. So it's still quite far away from the price because obviously we've got quite a bit of volatility going on here. So yeah, so you'll still just be holding that long trade. 25-minute Dominator has been flipping around a bit. So obviously you've got the buy there. We got a sell here, which we spoke about wasn't a very good one, and then a buy here, which hasn't really worked out that well, and then a sell here. And then a buy here. So these haven't been good signals recently, but obviously we've got big volatility here, so it's kind of obviously sort of messing around with like how this indicator looks back at the previous price action, because it's kind of looking at this action here, but obviously we are consolidating from a bigger move here, so you can expect maybe not to get too much direction at the moment, which this Dominator indicator is trying to basically locate. So yeah, we'll do the same on Ethereum 15-minute DMT. Yeah, was in the sell trade, but didn't. I mean, it did take the profit level, but since then has continued the strength with Bitcoin. Didn't dump any further than that, and as you can see here, we have got a Ethereum buy line in DMT at 217. So that is a potential buy level there on the 15-minute DMT. So that will be interesting to see how DMT reacts with that level. 25 minutes, 25-minute Ethereum for Dominator. Again, it's flip flopping around, guys. I mean, this is just a chop zone. A chop zone for obviously consolidating this large move here. I mean, to be honest, you could even argue maybe a lot of this move, but yeah, as you can see, consolidate, move up, consolidate, move up, consolidate, sort of move down, consolidate, move up, consolidate, move up, consolidate, move up, consolidate. So is it going to be move up, or is this going to be the end of the trend? Obviously you guys must have heard the saying, the trend is your friend. So trend is your friend until the end. So obviously at the moment, I mean, we can go all the way back to, I mean, I know this is Ethereum, but yeah, in Bitcoin we can go all the way back to around 4,000 here, can't we? And we'll see that the trend has been up all that time, obviously, apart from that drop there. So yeah, so I'm going to also show you another chart that I've been using for trading here. So if we look on here at the trades that I've been taking today, so this is a longer time frame Dominator that, as you can see, that I'm using. This is getting bigger trends, and then obviously flipping between the buy and sell. So I'm not buying and selling on what that indicator does, I'm buying and selling on what this does in conjunction with this one. So as we can see here, because we're green, I'm only looking for these buy signals. So so you can see the trade was here, there was a buy here, so I bought here, and then scalped a good profit. This is a 4-minute chart, by the way, guys. And then I bought here, scalped profit, and then I'm actually in a long now from here. I mean, it did come down a little bit. It didn't come far. My stop's 1%, so definitely didn't come 1%. Yeah, it's not even come down 0.5%, and that's currently back on side at the moment. But I'm currently in this trade, the third scalp of the day. So we will see how this. Well, we'll see how this plays out. If I remember, I'll tell you guys tomorrow how it worked out. But yeah, so I'm sure there'll be some more trades between them. But anyway, so that's what we're doing on this short-term scalping strategy that we use with Dominator. So yeah, so really versatile indicator there. So yeah, anyway, so remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Obviously, I know we're not in the best conditions freedom wise to enjoy it how anybody might like to enjoy the weekends, but hey, at least we're all giving our livers a break. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, right, I'll speak to you guys soon.